Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. We are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by Flight Deck Crew Captain Takan and First Officer Suyo, and together with your cabin crew team, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was really a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kumuha ng kagamitan. Nais rin naming ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng mga palikuran sa mga oras na ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Also, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bins that will be provided near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. And for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, please leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Apo.
For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or SEBGO, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
and your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated.
Put it away and watch. Wait, wait. Okay. Landed na na.
Hello everyone, good evening. This is First Officer Manso. This is just a temporary stop. We're still waiting for our marshal to guide us towards our bay for proper and safe disembarkation. Thank you.
cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
Thank you for waiting. It is now safe for you to stand to get your bags from the bins.
Wait na, wait na. Wait na. Wait lang ha.